All right, so welcome back. All right, so in this video I want to show us how to add another ad account. Okay, if your ad account, your previous ad account was disabled, okay, your Facebook ad account, your previous ad account was disabled, or it was restricted and you request for review and it was not approved or something, or it was disabled, I will advise you to open another ad account. All right, if that ad account is connected, as in is your Facebook account ad account, hmm, you have to open another Facebook account. Okay, because when you open a Facebook account, an ad account is added to that Facebook account automatically. Okay, so it's advisable when you open a Facebook account and you want to run ad, don't use that Facebook account ad account to run ad. Instead, create another ad account. Okay, then you'd be using that one that you created to run ad. Don't use the one that is connected to your Facebook account, so that if they disable your ad account, you can create another one. Your Facebook account will not be affected. I don't know if you understand. Okay, so now for you to, your ad account was disabled, and the best thing for you is to create, if that ad account is not connected to your Facebook account, you can create another ad account. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create another ad account. Okay, if your ad account was disabled, I'm going to show you how you can create another ad account. Okay, if that ad account is connected to your Facebook account, just create another Facebook account. Okay, then you follow this procedure in this video to create an ad account that you'll be using to run your ad. Okay, not the one that is connected to your Facebook account. Okay, so first of all, you go to Chrome. When you go to Chrome, you type facebook.com. Sorry, you type facebook.com/overview. All right, then you search. If it's like this, click on go to news feed. But if it logged you in, fine. But if it shows like this, just click on new feed. Go to news feed. Okay, then you click on these three dots, these three lines up there by the right. Click on it. So you logged in your Facebook account to Facebook through Chrome. Then you click on Ad Manager. Can you see it? Ad Manager. Click on it. Then after loading, click on these three lines. The last three lines. Can you see it? Then click on it. Let me zoom it. These three lines. Click on it. Then click on business settings. Click on business settings. Then open with Chrome. Choose Chrome. Open with Chrome. Then you select your business account. I have two business accounts. Okay, so if you have one, you only see one, but if you have two, it will give you the option to select the business account you want to open the ad account for. Okay, just I'm choosing this. Select your business account that you want to use for the ad. Okay, so there's something I want to address. If the ad account that was disabled is the one that is connected to your Facebook account, that is you have not created an ad account before. Okay, what you have to do is that after creating another Facebook account, you give your Facebook that your new Facebook account, you give it access, you give it an admin access to your page, the page you want to use to run the ad. Okay, you give that your new Facebook account an admin access to it. Okay, so that is you invite that your new Facebook account as an admin, and you give that your new Facebook account full control of that your page. Okay, the page you want to use to run the ad, you give that your new Facebook account full control access. Okay, so um if you don't know how to give Facebook if you don't know how to give a Facebook account full access, as full control, yeah, I'll make another video on that. Okay, so make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Okay, then I'll make another video and I will link it up here, or I'll put the link on the comment section so you can click on it and see how to give a Facebook page, a Facebook account, and access, a full control access. So you have to give your your new Facebook account a full control access to your page. Okay, before you can able to create a new ad account that you can use an ad for it. Alright, so after that, you see that that Facebook account will appear here. Alright, so you click on add account, click on add account. This is add account by the left after pages. Click on it. Now when you click on it, this business this already have one ad account, which is this online vendor. So you click on add, you click on add to add. If you don't have other if you have never created, if you have not created any ad account before, you won't see this. So is what you see is add account, add. So you click on that add blue button. Okay, then it says add an ad account. Request access to an ad account, create a new ad account. So you click on create a new ad account. Okay, then you click on create a new ad account. Remember, create a new ad account. Then why I see this is because I already have an active ad account. So if you don't have an ad account, you won't see this. Okay, so you add account name. Okay, you put the name you want it to answer. So put the name you can remember. Let's say example. I'm using example as the ad account name. Okay, the time zone is selected already, the currency is selected already, which is Nigeria. So after creating the ad account, you now add the payment method. If you are in Nigeria, you choose PayU option, PayU payment method. Okay, if you are in Nigeria and you want to use your Nigerian ATM card to make payments. Let's if you want to use dollar account, you can choose other options. But if you are in Nigeria, I will advise you to use PayU payment option. Okay, so after adding your ad account name, the time zone is selected because I'm in Nigeria, then the currency is selected, then you click on next. Then it said this ad account will be used for my business, another business or client. If you want to use it for other people, you can select the second option. But if you want to use it for the business account, okay, you can click on my business. So I'm clicking on my business. Then you now do what? You now create. So I don't want to create another one. Alright, so you now create. Okay, so after creating, you now add payment method. Remember, when adding payment method, make sure you choose pay you option. Pay you option. Choose pay you option. Don't choose any other option if you are in Nigeria and you want to use your Naira ATM account. Okay, so after that, you can now fund your ad account. Okay, so that's it. So that's how to do it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, so you after you might have created your ad account, you see that the ad account will reflect here. So you go to ad manager, click on these three lines up there. So you click on these three lines up there, okay, and you go to ad manager. You go to ad manager, okay, okay, you go to ad manager. You know that ad manager is where you create your ad, right? So to find that your new ad account that you created new, okay, you click here, and that's other that place that you can see campaigns. Okay, you click there to see your new created ad account. Okay, click on see more ad accounts. Okay, so this is where you will see that your new created ad accounts. Okay, so anytime you click on this green create button to create your ad, so make sure you select that your newly created ad account. Okay, make sure you select it. It must be on blue like this. Okay, when you select it, it will be showing up here. It will be showing up here. Okay, then you can now click on this green create new button, this new green create button, and to create your Facebook ad. All right, so bye, see you on my next video.